Good morning, dear student. Welcome back to the spoken English class. Today's topic Airport Vocabulary Part 2. We all love traveling, and in fact, this is one of the reasons many people decide to start studying English. In first place, when you are traveling abroad, that's to say to another country, you know that English is essential. The act of traveling consists of many different situations with many different challenges. If you love to travel or if you have hopes of doing so, you definitely need to learn the vocabulary that goes along with it, unless you want to be like this. Are you ready to learn more about the travel English? Now let's get started. First word is your aisle. Aisle. Spelling is your AISLE. Pronunciation is your aisle. The empty walkway between rows of seats of the plane. The long empty space that you walk down between the seating rows. Statement: would you prefer window or aisle? The bride walked down the aisle to the altar. Second word is cabin. CABIN. Pronunciation is cabin. Interior of the aircraft means interior inside of the airplane, okay? Inside of the aircraft. Statement: he sat quietly in the first class cabin looking tired. Next word is your captain. 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 The person who drives or flies the plane. The captain is responsible for everything that happens to his ship plane in the course of a voyage. Statement: the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Next word is your cockpit. 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 A small room where pilots, co-pilots sit to fly. Okay? In the cockpit, there are pilots who control the plane. Next word is your overhead bin. Overhead bin. The plane above the seats for storing luggage. Statement: keep the overhead storage bin free of heavy articles. Next word is your Galilee. Galilee. GALLEY. Galilee. Okay. A kitchen or an area with kitchen facility in a plane. Yeah, it is stored. Meal are stored to serve to the passenger. On a ship or aircraft, the galley in the kitchen. Next word is your business class. Business class. BUSINESS. And the class CLASS. Business class. Special seating arrangements, better services provided. Yeah, we can call first class. Okay. A type of air travel that is more expensive. It is very expensive in comparison of the economy class, and has better condition than economy class, or the part of a plane where people who have booked this type of travel seat, most of the special deals on flight are for business class only. Complimentary drinks will be served to passenger in business class. The next word is your economy class. Economy class. ECONOMY. Economy class. Coach class, cheap, cheap, the lowest class of the traveling on an aircraft. Means the lowest class of the traveling ticket or economy class, also called third class coach class, like free foodings, drinks, depending on the airlines. Next word is your arrival. 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 The time planes arrive at the airport. For that, he can look at the arrivals and departure board. Next word is your flight attendant. Flight attendant. Flight attendant. It is countable noun, also known as the stewards, or air hostess, comfort the passengers during the flight. Whose job is to look after the passengers and serve their meals. Okay, an airline employee who serve meals, attend to passenger comfort, etc. during a flight. Statement: you are welcome, the flight attendant replied, continuing down the aisle. Next word is your take off. Take off. When the plane leaves the ground, Jack needs to find out when his plane is gonna take off. The last word is your touchdown. Touchdown. When the plane lands on the ground, the plane will touch down in about 30 minutes. Now, all the words you have learned. Total words are 32, including the part 1 and part 2. Airport vocabulary. Okay. So, watch the video till the end and frame the sentence of any one of the word, two words in the comment area, and try to speak in your daily vocabulary. Okay, try to use and practice these words daily. Okay.